Now the first thing, we want to make a variable. We called it the first. We will use the method input, the built-in, enter first number. Then we will the symbol, as you see, the simple input. Choose your, or you can to put it like this, as you see, plus, minus, multiplication, division. Yeah. Lastly, we will use this. Sorry, for second input, enter second number. Now we will start if else's clauses right now. If symbol equal plus, then do this. If symbol equal minus, then do this until we reach everything, until we include everything. Yeah. Else, then print wrong, only choose from the bracket, as you see. So only from this bracket: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and so on. Okay. Now, if it is addition, so let's create a method for up here. Define, add the addition, and it will take the first, and it will take second here, as you see. Now, result equal, first plus second. So simple. Then let's return it, or you can print it. Let's print it. Print result, as you see. Or you can return it and print it from here. So simple. Now let's call this function, and let's put the first and the second. Okay. But don't forget to put tab here. Now the same thing, as you see, for the subtraction, sub t, and here just put like this, and the same thing for the multiplication, multi, and let's put the multiplication here, and finally the division. Now we don't want to check if it is 0 or not, because if the second is 0, this is something wrong. Or you can check it, we can do it. Let's do it. First, and this is the second, as you see. Else there is a wrong. Okay, now let's test it out. Make a batch file here, as you see, at echo of Python. Put the full path, or you can just Python test.py and put the pause. As you see, yeah, there is a error. I forgot something here, sorry. I forget to put these, so let's Okay, let's see. Yeah, the first number is 10. Let's addition. The second number is 20. Now, as you see, why is this? Because the input we forget to convert to integer. Now, remember the input function where it is. Yeah, the input function here, take this as a string. So make sure it is integer. You can do it here, int the result, or anywhere else, but you can do it here like this. Again, let's test it out. 10, this is plus 20, and as you see, it will give us 30. Now, as you see, each time the script closes itself, so we will put a while loop here. Now we will start the while loop from here, while true, as you see, and everything here will be loop infinitely. So 10, let's multiplication by 2, and as you see, 20, and enter the first number. So let's 5, and let's division by 5, and as you see, the result is 1. Now, as you see, it is a float. You can change it, just convert it to integer, or I prefer it is float, because if we got something like this, 5, for example, 2, and it will give us 2.5. But if I choose 4, and then I choose plus plus, for example, and 4, wrong, only choose from the brackets, as you see. Now, here is a state, here is a case. Now, if I choose 10, for example, divide by 0, as you see, division by 0. Now, this is something error. How to solve this? Now, here, you can put a try and exception. Try this. Okay. Except, or you can put if else. So simple. But let's test this. Now this may include everything, including errors, including IoT, including so many errors. But if we put if else, it is better. But let's test it out. Can't divide, I think like this, by 0. 10 division 0, as you see, cannot divide by 0. Okay, so far so good.